TeriGigi here. Welcome to my Christmas decorating video. Don't ask me why, but I just decided to do this video and attach it to the DIY mommy videos. And I think what I'm going to show y'all, I'm not sure because I haven't edited this yet, but I think I'm going to show y'all decorating the tree and just a couple of little spots in my house. The reason I'm not going all out is because we're not going to be here Thanksgiving and we're not going to be here Christmas. But I thought I would show you how I sort of organized, and I'm just going to do a few things in order to enjoy the holidays as long as we're here at the beach. I went out to the barn and I got, now these are gardening gloves. I read a tip to wear these when you, you know, what's it called? Spread out the tree and make it look nice after it's been in a box. So that's why these are on. But I went out in the garage. I have 4 Christmas boxes. And I had an empty one. So what I did is I just went through the 4 and I just grabbed random things that I thought I would want to use this year. Because, okay, that's the first thing I did, and I set up a table in a garbage bag. And then here is a brand new tree we just bought. It was only $99, and we're gonna see if I can make it look cute. It is a pencil style tree. We just don't have a lot of room in this house, and I moved the bar cart from there to fit it. And it looks kind of cool in front of that mirror, as you can see the reflection of the tree. Okay, so I'm gonna take the tags off and I'm gonna spread all the branches out and fluff it. That's what it's called, fluffing. And then eventually I'll have presents under there, really pretty boxes to make it look more full at the bottom. So yeah, I haven't decided if I'm gonna go full on silver, gold. I was gonna do a beachy vibe to this tree, but this year, you know what, I'm just gonna use what I have and see if I can pull it together in a new style. I was gonna do all completely new beachy things, but I just feel like I want my tree to be more familiar. So I'm gonna put some things on that we've had for years. Not my kids' stuff, because that would just make me cry, because they're all grown and gone away. So okay, I've got the tree fluffed, and let me tell you, that took a long time. So now, oh, I see kind of a hole right there. I gotta move the lights around right there. But anyway, now I'm gonna go through these boxes and figure out what I've got. Okay, last Christmas, after Christmas, I bought these 2 really cute tea towels from the Magnolia Market in Waco. And what I'm gonna try to do is color in the 2017 on this little thing and do something with this one so that doesn't show. So I'll start with this one because that's the easiest, and we'll see if I'm successful. Oh my gosh, y'all, look what I just found. I bought these at Magnolia Market last year before I bought this little beach cottage, and look, they're all in pretty beachy colors, but not too beachy, and I can't believe it. I'm so excited about this. So those are going on the tree first. Christmas pillows, my little Santa Claus guy. I'm finding all kind of, oh, and this beautiful card. Anyway, I'm finding all kind of fun things, so it's so exciting. Here's my other ornaments. See, they're pretty, but oh my gosh, these are perfection. Not pleased with the tree yet at all. It needs something, so I'm just going to keep working at it. Okay, here is how the tree is looking. It's really hard to see on camera, but I just don't think it's got enough pizzazz. I did add these little flocked leaf things that I had in another arrangement. I've got some silver pine cones tucked in. I put a few of these flocked branches, and I have this string of pearls and clear little beads, kind of like garland, but it's very subtle. So I need something for the top. So what I did, I went to the store today and I got a few, let's see, I got a few things to go in there. I think I really I was headed to the beach to get some starfish, and by the time I got over there, they were closing. But I got these just to kind of stick in and out of there, you know, because they'll really pop, I think. And then I got these to go at the top of the tree as like a topper. So we'll see. It may not look cute. It might look cute. I don't know. I've got so much stuff that I got today. Anyway, so I'm going to try to work on this tree a little bit more and with my stool and see what we can do. Okay, I think this looks so cute, y'all. I put this up at the top. I'm trying to find my zoom on this camera. See how the branches look? Now I've got two more of those, so I think I'm gonna add them to the top to make it even fuller. Okay, here it is. All I did was go and get a lot more of these little things, and I think they just add a real bit of whimsy to the tree, and I just love the top. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. I think I showed you this before. It shows up really pretty at night when the lights are out. The house lights are out. Anyway, I just think the tree is really sweet and pretty, and I just like it. It has a sense of calm. There's not a lot going on. So I had more I wanted to do, but we have to leave home, and then we're heading for Thanksgiving. So, and I won't be back to add any more before you see this video. So I really hope you enjoyed it, and I think I'll show you a couple of more things around the house. Okay, this is a super simple centerpiece that I did for my round coffee table. I just had, well, that's the clicker. I just had this glass bowl in the pantry, and I just filled it with last year's potpourri, and it still smells like pine, and we absolutely love it. This is just a little burlap wrapped tree that I've got at Hobby Lobby, and I decided to just leave it like it was last year, just simple and plain. And then I had this candle that just looks so pretty when it's lit. So this is just a little centerpiece on the coffee table. Here I have a bit of a beachy scene going on. There's a mermaid in there, and this light comes on, this candle comes on every single night. So I just threw a couple trees on the tray just to Christmas it up just a little bit. I have a couple of little real inexpensive Target dollar stop pillows, and I added just this, I sewed this tinsel or whatever that's called, garland, onto that pillow to make it a little jazzier. And then I did the same thing to this pillow, and it just kind of, the cat's been in this chair, so if you see cat hair. So I just kind of jazzed that pillow up as well with some of the garland. Over here, this looks really pretty when it's lit. Let me plug it in, hold on. Okay, over on this little table, it's just a little end table that we have by the couch. I just have like an old Santa and just a couple picks just scattered right there. I'm gonna probably flock them when I get back next weekend. And then just this really simple $5 tree. I threw some white lights on it, and at night when the fire's going, this little corner just really shows up well. So it doesn't take a lot to decorate. If you don't have the time or you're not going to be around to go all out, you can still make it cute and festive. My final little thing that I did, it's not on right now because these 3 candles are on timers. They'll turn on at 5:30 tonight. I bought this at a store called Old Time Pottery. It was $10, and it's got a larger automatic candle in it. And again, this is just a cheapy tray. I don't even remember what came on that, something else. 2 placemats from IKEA, 2 picks, 3 candles, and then this holder. And at night, this just looks beautiful on our little dining room table. Very simple, but very effective. Oh, one more funny thing I did. I have this plate rack here that I usually have some really beautiful fish plates and different things in, and I saw these at World Market and I had to grab them, and they each have a little Santa Claus hat on them. And so I'm kind of keeping with my beach house theme, And I think they're cute and they're just a little festive touch. This video's been a little scattered and I look terrible. I'm heading out the door, but I do hope you'll come back to my channel because I will do a couple of more. I want to show you my mantle that I haven't finished. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. Again, my name's TeriGigi and I hope you'll subscribe and leave a comment if you're new to my channel. And yeah, I hope you come back. And thanks to all my loyal subscribers and commenters. I love y'all so much. Thanks. Bye-bye.